Well, along with Mark, with what you just said, so, I know our emergency management agency is using the system. I think we had a couple incidents happen last week where that system was actually used for our county, for our citizens. And it goes to our citizens, employees, you name it. I mean, we get it. But in Fairfax, I mean, we've taken emergency management communication, I think, a lot farther than what most locals do. In that one, being where we're at here in the National Capital Region, we're a part of what we call the NCR, and it's a network of networks, private fiber between all those local jurisdictions. There's 22 in this region. We've integrated fiber for public safety communications for our first responders. Wow. We've federated identities for those entities so that they're using one user ID password. There's not a multiple of them having to remember for the different systems. And right now, the effort we have is trying to move as many of those public safety systems out there over to that private network. It's all private fiber we all own in our own jurisdictions, so that, in the event if there is another disaster, if the carriers were to go down, we wouldn't be relying on their communications for those first responders to talk. And then it's, the emergency alert network. It is highly used in our county. Our citizens, we have some of the, I guess, the higher information technology companies that are in our county, and those employees live there. So they're all using it, and it does great. And I love the coordination to where we get the traffic through it, we get weather, we get, you name it, all that information come through that network as well. So.
Wow, sounds